Don't do this. I did not post on TikTok for 3 months, and what I found out is you still get views on all of your videos, but the current followers that you have
no longer get notifications.
You heard that right. If you've stopped posting and you're wondering why you're not getting views, your account will go stagnant, it will lay dormant, and the only way to build it back up is to now post new videos, start a new consistency, and gaining new followers will build you a new platform. Even if you already have 10,000, 50,000, 100,000 followers, occasionally some notifications will go through from your previous followers, but it's been proven, I've checked it out. If you do not post for a long amount of time, your account will go dormant, your followers may drop off, but they will no longer get notifications. So what you want to do is stay current with any type of trend you can get a hold of, such as lip syncing, doing any type of comments, replying with a video, doing something so that your account stays active, even though you may not want to post a video this week, this month, or maybe life gets in the way and next month comes and goes and you just don't have time. But whatever you do, stay active. I've seen this happen before on Facebook. I didn't post on an account for a couple of years. Guess what? I go on there randomly thinking I have 1,300 followers, no views, no comments. And I realized, just like TikTok, you now have to post a new consistency. You now have to gain a new base of followers. Even though the number is still there, whether it's 10,000, 100,000, 200,000 followers, that won't change, but they're not getting notifications. And so it's like TikTok knows they're not gonna take all that away from you. So now once you build up a new following on top of what you have, you'll notice that the views will start coming in, your views will start getting higher, the comments will be from brand new people. Your notifications will slip through to some of the people that were previously following you, but make sure no matter what you do, if you say, hey, you know what, I'm done with this TikTok thing, I'm gonna take a break, I wouldn't do that entirely. I would maybe stay active, post a little bit, then to down the line, a month or 2 months or 3 months, say, you know what, I'm finna go all in, and then you go back to your account and you realize that it's dormant, that it's stagnant, that it's not really going anywhere, even though you still have the followers. If you have any questions or comments, comment below on this video. Let me know if this is happening to you, but whatever you do, make sure you stay active. Subscribe to the channel for more tips like this, and I will see you on the next video.